Hi everyone. I know a lot of people out there are worried about AI and what it can do, and yeah, we should be a little bit concerned. And people are worried about what it can do in photography and video. But I've got to tell you, there's some great tools out there in both of those that can really help you. I'm just going to show you a quick one here using my iPad. It's got Lightroom on it, and it's also got Photoshop. I've got this picture here in Lightroom, and I'm just going to show you here. You've got the remove tool. So over on the left-hand side, I'm just going to tap here. I've got the spot healing brush, which has been there for a while, and it's also got the remove tool. So I'm going for the remove tool. That's using a bit of AI. And you can see I've got this picture here. Let me just move it up. Obviously, I'm not showing you the whole person here, protecting their identity. But let's just take a look. In the bottom right here, it's got these sort of marks on the carpet. Let's just use the pencil. Look at that. Gone. Just like that. I can use my finger as well, but it's not as accurate. Let's just take a look over here on his jeans. We could just fix a bit of that up as well. So just by doing that. But over here is where it gets really interesting. He's got his walking stick. There's an air vent just there. And I want to see if I can get rid of that. Now this can take a few goes. Now I was using the pencil. It was a set size. If I tap here, you see where it's got 32 in the top left-hand corner. Just tap there. I can change the size of the brush. Let's make it a bit bigger. So let me just see what happens if I brush over like that. Oh, nearly done it. Just get rid of that little bit there. There we go. That's not too bad. Let's see how that looks. That's pretty good. I've got this bit down here as well. Let's get rid of that as well. So I can spend a bit of time fixing this up. I'm actually just looking at his jeans here. What about this section here? I know it's part of a trend. He's being fashionable. Let me just see what I do if I do that. Look at that. It didn't affect round here where the shadows are, but look at that. It's kind of just fixed it up. That one got rid of the crease as well, which maybe I didn't want to do. So there you go. That's what you can do with the remove tool, which uses AI to actually do this. I actually think it's really useful. It's been great for me getting rid of things like reflections on glasses, maybe signs in the background. I would do this before, but now this just makes it so much easier. There's also generative fill where you can add things in as well. We'll take a look at that in another video.